Hey guys, this is a vlog and a studio tour of my small room where I actually create all the videos and make all the magic happen. So this is my first video with this new camera. So you guys let me know your thoughts and feelings with this new style and this sort of vlog setup. So let me know what you think. So let me just take you through the studio and show you kind of where all the magic happens. So the main part of this studio, I would say, is the filming part. So basically I sit down on this chair and I set up everything. So maybe I could show you how I set up everything. So we have the Sony a7 IV 1635 f2.8. Very expensive camera, but at the end of the day, it's been worth it. I did just get the wireless Me set up. Pop this on and we got the receiver and the transceiver now. So basically that is on top. And that's it. And then we have these two lights, which are really good, and we have one over there too. So what I'll do is just, boom, this is pretty much the start of the setup, and they're only on like 25% because they're so bright. And then with the camera, what I'll do is I'll turn it on. From here, I just set it up. So it's already pre-set up, and here's the desk where all the magic happens. And as you can see, I've got my Mac, use M2. And I've just gotten this DJI Osmo Action, so I've got all the stuff. That's everything over here. Okay, and then over here, we do also have the PlayStation 2 connected. So that's connected to my monitor at the moment. So this is the Odyssey G5, and I've really enjoyed this monitor. It's been really fun. So that's some Need for Speed going on. Right here, I know the cable management is not good. We do also have a bit of music stuff over here as well. So essentially, we're trying to keep it clean, and we do have this glass case. So I've got a box Nintendo 64, GameCube, Nintendo 64, got some Game Boy games, and we do have all the original Game Boy and stuff like that as well. So when I come here, I'll turn on these lights. So these are the nano leaf lights. Helps make things look good in the background. And then we've also got the PlayStation 5 here as well. I've also got this. So this is a cool LED light. So that is really cool. So we get some LEDs in the background. It's all about lighting. So we've got the 3-point lighting plus 2 LED lights. We've also got this one. So yeah, this is how the setup would be. So I'll kind of present like this. So I got 2 lights at the front, a headlight, and then 2 LED lights. And I'll turn the PlayStation on with that monitor. And then apart from that, I mean, I've got the Logitech speakers. They're really good too. Got a fair few other things in the studio that's happening. So I got the iMac set up. So I got this Claret 2 Pre audio interface, and that just connects to this with the JBL 305Ps. Everything that's set up here now, I'm pretty happy with, to be honest. But if you guys have any ideas about what I could do to make this room look even better, please let me know. Got the display posters as well, they're really cool. Apart from that, I mean, we've got the acoustic guitar, we've got an electric guitar, and we have a bass guitar as well. We do have a bit of gear sort of around. If we go over here, we got some game posters. So that's Los Santos, and then we got the Skyrim map as well. And then when we go in here, it's pretty crazy. So got my PS2 collection. We got the PS1 games, we got the PS3 games, which I haven't really had time to play yet, PSP, Xbox 360 games, and even some Switch 2 games. So we got a whole bunch of stuff. We got a whole bunch of memorabilia here, such as Crash Bandicoot as well. I love all this stuff. We got a ton here, so one day I'll get through all this and be able to play it for you guys. I know you guys have been asking for a bit of SmackDown vs. Raw 2007 gameplay, but have to unlock all the legends, so I've got to do that for you guys. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff, like there's all these consoles like the original DS and stuff, and you know, a lot of memorabilia that you guys like. On the other side, I just try to clear up everything, so we got anything from camera bags to anything from eBay stuff. So I do also run an eBay store, and not committing to as much as what I was, but for example, behind here I've got all these Hot Wheels that I would sell. Got a ton over here, so there is a ton of stuff from like a whole bunch of videos and lot of past stuff. We got a Beyblade arena up there as well, because I made one video on a Beyblade arena. Like, we got all of our console collection, so anything from Nintendo Wii, PS3, PS5, PS5 Pro. I sort of put everything here so I can just sort of pick it up, review, put it back down. We'll sort out this cable management one day. But yeah, that's the realistic look of things. Got the Switch 2. Everything's sort of there for a reason. I mean, so I can just pick it up, review it, put it back down. That's sort of it. A few upgrades this year was the chair. I feel like the chair was actually a really good upgrade because the last chair I had wasn't very good. This is all mesh because the other material that I had wasn't very good in comparison to this. I feel like the mesh was 10 times better. Apart from that, just the mic setup, that's also been good, the wireless Me. So highly recommend the Rode wireless setup. It's just been a lifesaver for a lot of videos because I used to do all my videos on the Video Mic Pro Plus. So doing that has been a massive upgrade. The Mac, so this is the M2 Mac. That's really fast in comparison to this iMac. And then I find, you know, why it's just easier when I use the Mac Air over, the iMac. So essentially, I might even sell this and just use one of these monitors. Also, the Odyssey, the Samsung Odyssey, that's really good. It's got HDR, it's got everything I need there. So those are 3 upgrades that I've done, and I'm slowly upgrading things. I just got this camera as well, which is the Action 6. And we got on the kit, so we got all the batteries, we got everything. So yeah, guys, that's a studio tour of everything. Man, it's a small studio, but I do imagine growing this. If you guys have any suggestions, if you have any ideas about how I could expand the studio and make it even better, please do. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate all the support and everything. 50,000 subscribers recently. I couldn't have imagined it. I mean, it's such a testament to just keep going in life. You know, I started from the bottom, worked 3 jobs, saved up for all this gear. Everything I have is from my own savings. I've reinvested and built this up. It's so worth it. So thanks for all the support. I appreciate you guys. Have yourself a beautiful day, and I'll see you soon.